This is the brief on mastering modal verbs of deduction and the past perfect. Unit 3 of the Get Involved textbook basically gives you the grammar tools to act like a literal detective so you can accurately guess why things happen and clearly explain the sequence of past mysteries. First, let's guess what's happening right now using a detective scale of certainty. So, if you're 100% sure it's true, use must. Like, it must be raining because you're all wet. Only 50% sure? Well, just use might or could. And if it's 0% possible, use can't. Second, now that we can guess the present, how do we actually speculate about clues from the past? The certainty scale is exactly the same. So, what does this mean when you find a strange clue? You can't just use a basic verb anymore. You've got to anchor your guess in the past by adding have and a past participle. Think. They must have been hungry because they've eaten everything. For past impossibilities, both can't have and couldn't have work perfectly. Finally, once you've deduced what happened, you need to tell the story clearly without mixing up the timeline. Enter the past perfect tense. Formed with had and a past participle, it's literally the past in the past. Why not just use the simple past for everything? Because without the past perfect, your listener won't know which event actually triggered the other. Saying, by the time we arrived, the bus had already left, makes the timeline crystal clear. By mastering these modal verbs and the past perfect, you now have the exact grammatical toolkit to investigate clues, confidently state your theories, and tell the story of any mystery with perfect chronological clarity.